Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the visibility of your posts on Facebook. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Facebook, and then at the bottom of the page you click on menu. Now you choose settings and privacy, and then you click on settings, and then you have to scroll down and find post. You click on post. Now you click on who can see your future posts, and in this section you can choose the audience. After that you click on save and you are done. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!